Okay, this is 1.4, calculating income overtime. First, we're going to do a little bit of practice with the math here. Just try this. Take your calculator, do 2 times 8.25. 2 times 8.25 equals 16.5. Okay? And you can do the other one, 1.5 times 11.10. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're talking about overtime. Now, overtime is hours that you work in addition to your regular amount of hours assigned to you. Usually when you're working overtime, you get paid a little bit extra, a little bonus for pleasing the boss, working overtime. Sometimes it's what we call time and a half. Time and a half, as you can see right here, just means your regular wage of 1.0 and adding another half the amount to it of what you would make per hour, so it's 1.5. Sometimes you make double time, that just means taking your wage and multiplying it by 2. So let's do this first little example here. Manny works on a farm near Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. He clocks in and out of work using a time card. He earns $9.20 per hour and is also paid time and a half for any hours worked over 40 hours in that 1 week. His time card for 1 week is shown. What is Manny's gross income for the week? Well, we know what gross income. Gross income just means the income that you make before any deductions are taken off your check. So here's his time card. Starts at Thursday, goes to Wednesday, 7 days. You can see Sunday he's not working, but he's working Thursday, Friday, looks like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, full days, and maybe on Saturday, half a day. And you can see the amount of hours that he's worked, and you can see right here, there's the amount of hours he's worked, and total hours for that day, and then final total hours in the time period in the week. So we can look at this time card if I was the boss, and I could be able to calculate his wage, and I could cut him a check. So how much money does Manny earn for the first 40 hours he works? Well, he's making $9.20 for the first 40 hours, so we take 40 hours times $9.20 per hour, and we just take the calculator and we do 40 times $9.20 per hour. It means he's making $368 in that week. $368. And then he worked an additional, you can see, overtime, 12 hours overtime in addition to his 40 hours. So what is Manny's hourly wage for the overtime hours? Well, his hourly wage is $9.20, but we multiply that by 1.5 because that's how we get how much he's going to make per hour at time and a half. So we take $9.20 and multiply that by 1.5, and that means his overtime, he's going to make $13.80 per hour each hour that he works overtime. So how much does Manny earn for his overtime hours? Well, according to the time card, he's working 12 hours of overtime at $13.80 per hour. And we can take our calculator and take 12, multiply that by $13.80 per hour, means he's going to make $165.60 extra for those 12 hours that he worked. So it says, what is Manny's gross income for the week? Well, we add his regular 40 hours, which is $368. And we add his overtime of $165.60, and we can say that, I'll just take that answer, $165.60 from 4, add 368 to it, and he made $533.60. And don't forget, we have to put the little dollar symbol there. Okay? Here's another example of the same kind of thing. Astrid works in the oil and gas industry near Fort McMurray, Alberta. She earns $28.30 per hour and makes double time. Okay? for hours worked beyond 40 hours each week. She calculated Astrid's gross income for 45.25 hours worked last week. Well, how much does Astrid earn for the first 40 hours she works? She makes $28.30, which means we just take 40, multiply that by 28.30, 28.3, and she's making $1,132. How much does Astrid earn for the overtime hours? Well, hourly wage for overtime. So she's going to make double time. So instead of $28.30 per hour, she's going to make overtime. So we take our calculator, go 28.3. That's how much she makes per hour normally. We multiply that by 2, and that means she's going to be making $56.60. 56.60 per hour overtime. Total for overtime hours, well, 40 hours is normal. She worked an extra 5.25 hours, so we could say 5.25 hours. That's what she works extra in the week. So what is Astrid's gross income for the week? Well, we have to do this overtime here. Let's see how much she made. So we take 56.6, we multiply that by 5.25. That will give us how much overtime money she made. 56.6, multiply that by 5.25. Overtime she made an extra $297.15. $297.15. So we want to know what her gross income is for the week. Well, we take the original 40-hour work week where she made $1,132, and we add $297.15. Add those two numbers together. 297.15 plus 1,132, and for the week she made $1,429.15. Okay, so you guys can continue on with the practice, and we're done.